Good morning kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. Yung nasa likod na unit natin, ready for occupancy, selling at 12.2 million dito sa Grand Park Place Village, Anabu, Imos, Cavite. Tara, pasukin natin ang loob. Hello kabayan, itour namin kayo dito sa bagong listing na meron kami dito sa Grand Park Place Village, Anabu, Imos, Cavite. Brand new unit, ready for occupancy with a lot area of 180 square meters and floor area of 221 square meters. Selling at 12.2 million. Complete unit, ready for occupancy with 2-car garage. Ito yung ating turnover sa loob, the living area, the dining area, yung ating lanay. Ito yung ating kitchen area. Kabayan, kung ano yung nakikita ninyo sa ating kitchen area, yan na po yung ating actual turnover. The over and under cabinet, kasama na po yan sa turnover. Ito naman yung ating powder room. At dito sa ground floor, meron tayong 1 bedroom na merong sariling toilet and bath. So ito kabayan, this is a brand new unit, complete unit turnover. Akitin naman natin yung ating second floor. Dito sa ating second floor, kabayan, napakalawa ito, very spacious. Meron tayong hallway. At ito naman yung ating bedroom number 1. Kasama na sa turnover itong ating built-in cabinets na from floor to ceiling. At sa bedroom 1 natin, meron na rin itong sariling toilet and bath. Ito yung ating bedroom number 2. Kasama na rin sa turnover yung ating built-in cabinets and yung ating vanity area. Ito yung ating toilet and bath sa bedroom number 2. At ito sa ating bedroom number 3 or our master's bedroom. Yan, napakalaki ang kabayan. Meron yung sariling walk-in closet. At yung ating toilet and bath sa bedroom number 3 ay may bathtub. Ayan kabayan, napakalaki. Nakita nyo naman, napakaganda na ating unit. So, interested kayo kabayan, feel free to inquire. Mag-message lang kayo sa amin. Assist namin kayo. By the way kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker.